An estimated 3/4 of an inch of rain soaked the Triangle throughout the day as we narrowly missed our first bout of winter weather. So that's good news.
Yeah, good news if you don't want snow, but the wet weather, not over yet. CBS 17's Haley Fixler is looking at what's being done now to make sure a possible 2 to 3 inches of rain we could see on Tuesday doesn't cause too many headaches.
Gray skies and slick roads, the Triangle narrowly missing the first bout of winter weather of 2024. Instead of snow and freezing rain, we just saw a lot of rain. Saturday's rain and several inches more expected Tuesday, and high winds could create a lot of problems. Raleigh officials proactively lowered Lake Johnson levels this week, giving ample room to store more water and reduce any flooding. Power could also be a potential problem.
You're going to be going into the week with pretty soft ground. When you add more rain to that and wind, there's the potential there to see outages.
Duke Energy officials are already strategizing.
We're still watching the forecast for the storm this week, really looking at where temperature lines are going to fall, where we might see stronger gusts, more precipitation, what type of precipitation.
And because they know the storms might be widespread, they're looking at different scenarios and solutions ahead of time.
It is a statewide storm, and really North and South Carolina. We'll have to keep our crews local to make sure that they can help serve the customers in those areas before we could move them ahead of the storm. We make adjustments right after the storm passes through, shift resources to where we see outage pockets, and then address there. I think the biggest concern really is that saturated ground with high winds is a good recipe for downed trees, and that can lead to outages.
Officials are asking for patience if there are outages, because if there are downed trees, those have to be cleared out before crews can restore the power. In Raleigh, Haley Fixler, CBS 17 News.
And Duke Energy tells us they will use smart technologies when they can to restore power automatically.
And also the utility says now is the time to have a plan in place in case you do lose power.